We'll guide you through how to find hidden apps on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you then can't go and find and access the app you're trying to use. So we'll guide you through some different ways you can try finding it. So for the first way, you want to go and swipe up. This will take you to the app page. Now what you can do is start swiping across, see if you can find it here. You could try searching for it at the top as well. And what you can then do is go and tap and hold your finger if you go and see it on it like so, and you can press add to home to add it back. If you can't find it there, don't worry. Come back to your home page like this. Tap and hold your finger in some blank space. You then go and see this screen here. What you need to do is go down, find the option for settings and open it up. In settings, you can then go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for hide apps on home and app screens. Then in here, you can go and see at the top the hidden apps. Select them, or to go and unselect them like that, press them. Then press done. Now you can come back and they'll be here. You may find them on your app pages and add them back.